Hello everyone, my name is Eventide Shine, and this is Devil May Cry 5 Special Edition. Of course, playing as Virgil. Just been doing audio tests all day with this game, trying to get a good balance between me and the game audio. I'm not sure if I'm overpowering or the game's overpowering, so any feedback is greatly appreciated. This game is so sick. Did I mention that? If I didn't, this game is really sick. It is crazy good.
You shall die. Let's have some fun.
Oh, I'm definitely having a lot of fun, Virgil. Definitely having a lot of fun. So yeah, let me know what you guys think.